Another discussion, another slice of that discussion. Is the discussion regarding motherhood. Because I told her, I don't really feel the urge. You understand? I don't feel the urge. And the analogy that first popped in my head in this scenario is that, let's take the psychopaths for an example. There's something that doesn't work in them, maybe in their brain, I don't know where it is, that they don't really feel the concern maybe for the other human being. It's like that for me when it comes to reproduction. I don't feel the urge. I don't feel the urge, honestly. And it's very bizarre to me. If I were to apply it to myself, if I were to apply it to myself, it's very bizarre to me to consider even in the first place. It's strange. And I told her, there is another thing that I shared to her that I have never really thought about until that point. I told her, Mother, just me thinking about myself pregnant. I'm disgusted by the thought of it. There's something that makes my skin crawl. I can't. I'm incapable of that. I will not be. But then I explained to her, this doesn't mean, I would like to make it clear to you, I said to her, and I'm now saying it also to you. It doesn't mean that when I see a pregnant person, I'm disgusted by her. No. Because that's also another thing that is hard for me to explain to other people. There are things that I won't do to myself, but if the other people, they do to themselves, that's not my business. Do you understand? It's hard to explain because there is a particular person that I used to be friends with. She cannot understand this. And maybe that's why our friendship ended. She just stopped speaking to me or something. I'm fine with the people who are getting pregnant and having children. Maybe the only say that I have about this is that I hope they can really take care of it and raise them well. Take care of the kids and raise them well. That's my only say. Apart from that, it's their business. It's not mine to meddle with. You see? But if I were to imagine myself being pregnant, it's disgusting to me. I disgust my own self. That's the closest word that I can think of. Maybe there is a better word or less. But that's how I feel. That's how I feel. I'm disgusted by the thought when I really imagined it yesterday with my mother. I told her, yucks! Yuck! It's not for me. It's not for me. And another example that I told to her, that let's say there is a particular shade of green. When I wear it, it makes me look sick. But when I see it on other people, they look good with it, that same shade of green. It just so happens that when I am the one wearing the same shade of green, I look sick. That's another explanation. I told her, I hope you understand. I hope you understand that just because I wouldn't do it, it doesn't really or necessarily mean that I am seeing it the way it doesn't mean that I am seeing it the same way I see it on others. The vision of me being pregnant is independent of the image of them being pregnant. It's not connected. It has similarities, but I really hope you do get what I mean. And also, another part was that wait, I forgot what did I say? This. I told her, Mother, you have seen the kind of child I am. I'm too sensitive. I get easily hurt by things. I think about things a lot to the point that it hurts. And then I will have the audacity to have a kid. No, I will not put the same curse on the child. You get what I mean? I feel like it's my it's my responsibility not to reproduce. No. I will not give birth to a kid knowing the kind of person that I am already, who's easily hurt by the world. I will not give birth to and just watch that same kid to go and send it in the wild, knowing how painful it is to exist. I'm really glad I have enough water, because I'm speaking about very difficult things in here, and I feel like my neck is also shaking or something. So maybe that's part of why I don't have the urge to reproduce. There is another reason that I am thinking of, but I'm not sure if... Well, there's only the two of us in here, so I guess I can share. And I would like to say that what I'm about to say next, I'm sharing this as if I'm sharing that the sky is blue, or that there are 4 seasons in this country: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. I'm saying it in that manner. I'm saying it as a fact in which I have perceived as a child, maybe. And it's not, well, I should just say this, no? I should just say this. You can take it however you want. Another reason, maybe, is that I was thinking about the younger versions of my dad and my mom. If I didn't have to be born, if I didn't have to be born, my dad would have been wealthy and my mom would have been happy. I sort of see myself that I got in the way, and I apologize for this. I got in the way because I'm the first kid. And I am seeing this as a perspective, both perspectives of the parent and the kid. Number one, I'm afraid that if I give birth and I will see the child as someone who gets in the way, and then I'm afraid that this child will grow up and see that I got in my mother's way, sort of like I am feeling that I got in my parents' way, that if I didn't have to be born, their lives could have been better. So I am saving that child from myself. I could be a good friend, but I'm not sure if I can be a good mother, and I would rather not find out just for the hell of it, because once the child is there, it is there forever. And this is also what really makes me so like, how can people have kids so easily as well? Why do some people, they find it so easy to just pop out children? Is it also something that is very loud in their, how the nature has created them? Maybe it also has that element that maybe some people have this stronger urge to, I should populate the earth, sort of, which happens to be that I don't have. Yeah, maybe that's part of why. I will never be so sure, of course, because there might be some other reasons. But your perspective is always very well desired.